Do you find yourself throwing on sweaters and piling on blankets even though your thermostat is set in the 70s? Is the thermostat lying to you? Or does your furnace need repaired? In this video, we'll cover what to expect when having your furnace repaired. Hi, I'm Jared with Fire and Ice, and we have repaired thousands of furnaces all over Central Ohio. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about having your furnace repaired. When is it time to repair my furnace? What occurs during a furnace repair? How much does a furnace repair cost? And finally, how do I schedule a repair for my furnace? By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about getting your furnace repaired. Your furnace serves two purposes: provide heat during periods of cold temperatures and distribute conditioned air throughout your home year-round. The average lifespan of a furnace is 12 to 15 years. Some systems can last even longer if they have the proper maintenance. But like all things, there is the potential for something to break and need repair during the life of the furnace. Even though a repair seems obvious when your furnace stops blowing hot air, there are other lesser known signs that your furnace may be due for repair, such as weak airflow coming from the vents, new or unfamiliar sounds such as vibrating, squeals, or banging noises, a dramatic increase in your energy bills, puddling near your furnace, unusual odors like electrical smells, and most important for individuals with gas furnaces, carbon monoxide leaks. If you suspect carbon monoxide, seek fresh air immediately and call 911. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include headache, dizziness, nausea, physical weakness, chest pain, confusion, and unconsciousness. For you and your family's peace of mind and safety, have your furnace assessed by a certified HVAC contractor to diagnose and properly repair the issue. Having routine maintenance performed on your furnace on an annual basis will help catch potential problems early on and help prevent the need for repairs. Your furnace is at the heart of your HVAC system. When your furnace stops working or struggles to keep up with the demand, it can leave you cold and uncomfortable in your home. When this happens, your furnace likely needs repaired and it's time to call an HVAC professional. During the repair process, an HVAC technician will assess your system and determine the problem. You are then typically given an estimate for any work that is needed to be done. Once the estimate is approved, the technician will perform any work necessary to get your furnace operating again. There is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to HVAC systems, and the same goes for furnace repairs. The first step in every furnace repair process is to diagnose the issue. At Fire and Ice, our diagnostic process starts at $89. All of the cost of repair can vary by region. Expect to pay on average for single and two-stage gas valves between $600 and $800, and up to $1,000 for modulating systems. Replacing a circuit board can range between $550 and $1,100. An inducer motor replacement is around $800. Blower motor replacement between $700 and $900 for basic units, and up to $2,000 for variable speed blower motors. Heat exchanger replacement is labor intensive and can cost between $1,000 and $2,000 if it's under a parts warranty, and upwards of $3,500 if the furnace is no longer under warranty. For smaller components like a pressure switch or an igniter, the repair can range between $250 and $400. Scheduling a repair for your furnace with Fire and Ice is simple and can be done through our website or by giving us a call. Visit our website and fill out our scheduled service contact form, and we'll be in touch to find a day and time that works best for you within 24 hours. If you're outside our service area, we recommend having a licensed and certified HVAC contractor do any repairs to your system. At Fire and Ice, our NATE certified service technicians are able to repair any furnace regardless of the brand, including furnaces we didn't even install. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. On the date of your appointment, we will diagnose the source of the issue and provide a full, flat rate estimate for all repairs backed by our 1-year warranty. If your furnace needs repaired and you're in the Central Ohio area, give Fire and Ice a call. If you want more information on the services we provide, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to making your day even better.